Want to know how to remove TikTok profile picture? Hello everyone, I'm Justin from Take My Life and today I'll walk you through the process of how to remove TikTok profile picture. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the TikTok app on your screen. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the edit profile option right beside the share profile. Similarly, tap on the change photo option at the top. Here you can see three options. Either you can take the photo, select from gallery or view photo. However, there is no option for removing the profile picture in TikTok. So open any browser in your device. Here I'm opening Google Chrome. Furthermore, tap on the search bar and search for the default profile picture. Now download any image and go back to your TikTok profile. Likewise, edit the default picture and finally tap on the save option at the bottom right corner. So this is how to remove a TikTok profile picture. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.